alaikum everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are good at home. I'm your teacher Faiza and this is our English class. Today we are going to learn letter A. We are going to learn letter A. Come on everyone. Look at this. This is letter A. What is this? Letter A. Come on everyone. Now we will sing the jollyphonic song of letter A. Everyone, do like this. Yes, and use your two fingers. Now sing with me. Ants on my arms. Ants on my arms. Ants on my arms, they causing me alarm. What is this? This is the sound and action of letter A. A. Come on everyone, do again. Ants on my arms. Ants on my arms. Ants on my arm, they causing me alarm. What is this sound called? This is letter A sound. A. Very good. Now meet with the friends of letter A. Read with me. A. Apple. A. Apple. A. Aeroplane. A. Aeroplane. A. Apricot. A. Apricot. A. Ant. A. Ant. A. Alligator. Sounds scary. Now moving towards our book, I will tell you how to trace the letter A. Come on everyone. Okay my lovely learners, this is letter A. Now I will tell you how to trace the letter A. Start from this dot, make a standing line, slowly join the dot and make a curve. Then one more curve. This is letter A. Yes. Slowly join the dots. Make a curve. And one more curve. This is letter A. Yes. Very good. Make a standing line and a small curve. Then a big curve, or we can say you can make a semicircle. This is letter A. Very good. You have to write it with me. आप सबको मेरे साथ साथ काम करना है. This is letter A. And what is the sound of letter A? A. Very good. Come on everyone. Sing the jollyphonic song. Ants on my arms. Ants on my arms. Ants on my arm, they're causing me alarm. A. Slowly join the dot and make letter A. Very good. A. You have to repeat with me. A. Yes, very good. This is letter A. Come on everyone. You have to say it. This is letter A. A. Repeat the vocabulary with me. A. Apple. A. Alligator. A. Ant. A. Aeroplane. Apricot. Very good. You are very good learners. Slowly join the dot and complete the letter A. Oh wow, I have done the work. Now, I have one more activity of letter A. Yes, first we have done the tracing of letter A. Now, I will do the activity of letter A. What we have to do on this activity? Color the alligator and circle the apple. Okay. Tell me, is this alligator? No. This is apple. Apple. So, my lovely learners, circle the apple. And this is alligator. So, we have to do color in this alligator. Slowly make the boundary. Very good. Slowly. आपकी कलर पिक्चर से बाहर नहीं जाने चाहिए. आपको कलर्स बहुत अच्छे करने हैं. I have complete the boundary. मैंने अपनी बाउंड्री कंप्लीट कर ली है. Now I will fill the alligator. Repeat the vocabulary. Very good. Apple. Alligator. Ant. Aeroplane. Apricot. Very good. Okay, my lovely learners. I have completed the activity. Yes, I hope you all have learned this activity and learned how to trace the letter A very nicely. Okay, my lovely learners, we have to do fingerprinting in this letter A. I am using this poster pen to do this activity. I am using green color. You can use any color you like. I like green color. Now, like this, I will put paint on my finger and do fingerprinting in letter A. Yes, it's really fun. I will use some more paint to make standing line and a curve. My activity is done. Now I will tell you how to trace the letter A. We have to trace the letter A very neatly. Okay, my learners, after completing this activity, now we will do tracing on this letter A. Come on, everyone. Slowly join the dot. Make a standing line and a curve. Then make another curve. It's letter A. Very good. Come on, everyone. I know you all have learned how to trace the letter A very well. Very good. Slowly join the dot and make a standing line and a small curve. Then slowly join the dot and make a big curve. This is letter A. Very good. Letter A. A. What is the sound of letter A? A. Very good. You have to trace the letter very neatly. Okay? Very good. Very nice. I am about to finish my work. I know you all are doing work with me. Very good. Slowly, slowly join the dots. Yes. आपको जल्दबाजी में काम नहीं करना. जल्दबाजी में काम करने से काम खराब हो जाता है. आहिस्ता आहिस्ता नुक्तों को मिलाएं. शाबाश. और लेटर ए बनाएं. Very good. Slowly, slowly join the dots and make letter A. Repeat the vocabulary of letter A with me. A alligator. A apple. A ant. A aeroplane. A apricot. Very good. I hope you have learned the tracing of letter A very nicely. Everyone, do practice at home. Allah Hafiz.